To draw Mewtwo from Pokémon, we will start with the face, which is kind of a tricky one because we don't have a circular square. We will have first the two kind of horns here or ears, like this. Now once you have those two shapes, now we can start to do the top of the head. Now we go alongside, like this, down the jaw, here we stop. You roughly do the same thing on the other side, one bend, that, come back, you stop here, the chin. So now we roughly have the shape, the two nostrils, kind of. And now we have, very important thing, the eyes. The eyes, you go roughly here, make one line, another line, you go up 45 degrees. So here we have frowning, and now you do a connection, do the same thing here, pretty much have the eyes, and now you do two little curvy lines, here the same, and halfway a line. So, and here we already have the face, just to emphasize the head. This is what we have. Now you can do a little bit more darkness over here, same thing here, to give the look. So we go now, we just do the neck here because we're in this area, do here another one, and that. So now we have the neck, we do the upper body, the chest. The chest is like that, and you go one line, then the other way, like that, you go up, now you go a line like that. So now parallel here, here kind of a line, here one and there one. So now you have the top. Okay, so now we can continue the arm here from that position. So we go here, one line, again 45 degrees up to here. Now we do here a little bend, straight. Now we do the hand. The hand is one line, and we have a finger. Close it. You kind of parallel here. Now at the end, we do a circle. So now we have one finger. Now you can understand what we do with the other one. Same thing. Here. Now close it. So we do the same thing here. Now we're coming from the bottom. So here you do a parallel, here you do it kind of parallel, the same thing. And we close it, and we do a finger there. So now we do the arm, and the arm we continue the rest of the body. So we go here one line, there. This is the line of the chest, okay? Side muscles, drop plate. So here we go. Just to remember this one, we do a line here. So now we have the other arm on the other side. So we do a line like that. We do another one like that. And we continue that line to here. And we do kind of a longer V here and a smaller one here. We do the same thing over here. Now we go this way. Close it. You can see what it will be. Come back and close it. Now we do knobs here. Two little circles. So this is where we are now. The tail will be this way. Roughly. And it will come in the back. So you can imagine it here and here. Now we continue. This we pretty much have to close like that. Now we start the lower body. We started with the tail here, so you can have then a sense of where to go. So what we do is first with the leg we do here, starting from that point. See here, you go over there, you do a line like that, comes down here now, straight, just straight, and then come here. Straight and a little bit straighter. So again, help you out, we do it like that, circle, a connection bridge, another circle, a bit bigger. So now we go straight, now parallel to this, straight, and now counterwise, Now the knee to show the knee. So, and now you will understand. We'll go this way to close from the stomach to the tail. So we do like this. Continue this way, and then you have to go up to here. So now you do a parallel line, and you continue that one. You start it here, and you go down this way. And here we have it already, the whole nice move. So we're missing one leg. Kind of now simple to understand what we're doing. This way, and we do a straight line, and another straight line. Do our circle, connection bridge, another circle, and we go up parallel. Now we start this way, like that, to show the knee again. And so we have now all the listening points. Mewtwo is finished.